Okay, important thing is export and import your recipe, because that's why I want to show you this thing. I too much time I lose for find some problem in this export and import data. In recipe area view, we have one thing. We have two things here: export control and import recipe setting. What is the export? So we can export your recipe to a lot of the HMI, maybe all the HMI have a USB. So I want to export my data recipe to the USB. Okay, from the recipe, first is disabling by the default. You need to enable recipe export, and this is your direct export direction folder. So this is the name of the export direct folder for your recipe, and here you can use data format, and downside you also is better use name, file name here. Okay, file name, this is also the export data trigger here. Okay, this LB register address type is, I'm using HMI register for the export data. So this name is very important here. Okay, one by one I will show you how we export. First export, don't think about the import. Okay, now what is this mean? So we will export to the USB, and we will use USB. Okay, first I will disconnect. This is my USB card. Here, what for the first, what we need to do, maximum, so don't use the very big to USB card. I will go and I need to format my USB card to this type, file type FAT132 as a default. Okay, this is important. Okay, now this, like this, we need to format. Okay, it's okay now. So empty, make eject, and I will connect to my HMI. That's now I will show you just a small time. Okay, now this is big. Okay, now I go to export. So this means I don't have any error here. Okay, I export that one. I take out from my HMI, and I will open. Okay, what's happening here? Now we need to go. This is the export. This was a direct. This was a folder, and this is. sometimes if you want to do something, or if you want to so what is your data, is better copy. Don't open the main one, and I want to maybe you destroy, because according to your office this is important. Maybe when you're opening after this is my file. Okay, this is my file. Okay, now this is okay, so export is happening here. So what is another things about the import? Okay, now I will disconnect again. I will disconnect. I will connect here. So first about the import. Okay, import by the default. Okay, another one I will show you is better. By the default, when we make this one, like this is showing to us. Okay, I will show you and we will check what we have a problem here. Okay, when we make first we need to use USB. Okay, I will download and we see it's not working here. I download this to my HMI. Download. I also connect my USB to HMI. So now we will see import is not working here. We have this error. Invalid file. What is this file is meets. Okay, this is a very common error what I have here. I take out USB. We will see what is the reason of this error. Now we go to our recipe. What is the important thing here? Why is import is not working? In the import, first we need to write export file name. What was my export file name? My export file name was this. I will copy. I paste. So this is the first thing. Also is not working when I write file name like this. One things also need to add also format this CSV format here. Point CSV format. This is also second things. And the third things from my USB. Okay, now I need also, if I do this one, also is important, is not working. For this I need to go and copy this file. So it's now maybe not working here because I changed the name. I changed name, copy. This is because before my name was this name. Okay, past is better. I copy this name and I make from expert, I make this name. Okay, I make this name, and from the import also I add this name with this format. Okay, I download this download to this to my HMI. Download. Okay, now in my USB also I take out from any folder to bottom of my USB. Okay, we'll connect here. And we see. I don't know why it's okay. I make clear. So now I don't have any recipe. I want to import. So you can see I don't have any error, and I import my recipe from the USB disk. Okay. So again, clear, and so I don't have any invalid file name. So these three things you need to remember because very important. So I lost too much time for find this solution. In import, you need to make file name same to export file name. So you can make variable file name. In import, also you can use a variable file name. For example, some registers you can make, and when you save this register and you read, but format is important here. And to USB you take out from any folder, otherwise is not reading, so giving this error here. This was all about the recipe in Kinco Dtools and how we use. If you have some question, you can write, can help you. So need to try this function because this is a very interesting in HMI. In any HMI you have this recipe, so you can use. Thanks for the watching.